Do you struggle with writing a cover letter? Does the blank page seem like an insurmountable wall between you and your dream job? Well, you're not alone. Crafting an effective cover letter can be a challenging task. But worry not, because today we're going to break down this process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, let's talk about personalization. Every job is unique, and so should be your cover letter. Generic templates may seem convenient, but they lack the personal touch that can make your application stand out. Instead, tailor each letter to the specific job you're applying for. Start by researching the company, understand their values, their culture, and what they're looking for in a candidate. Then weave these insights into your letter. Show them why you're not just a fit, but the perfect fit for their team. Next, highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Remember, your cover letter is not a repeat of your resume. It's a chance to tell a story. Share specific instances where you've used your skills to achieve results. Paint a picture of how these experiences have prepared you for the role you're applying for. However, while it's important to be personable and engaging, it's equally crucial to maintain a professional tone. Avoid using slang or overly casual language. Be concise and to the point. Now, let's move on to some shortcuts. Templates can be a great time saver, but use them wisely. Customize them to suit each job. Keep a master template handy and adapt it as needed. This way, you're not starting from scratch every time, but you're still ensuring each letter is unique. Finally, proofread. And then proofread again. Nothing can hurt your chances more than a cover letter riddled with typos. Use tools like spell check, but don't rely on them completely. Read your letter out loud or have someone else review it. Fresh eyes can often catch mistakes you've overlooked. So to recap, writing a successful cover letter involves personalizing each letter, highlighting relevant skills and experiences, maintaining a professional tone, using templates wisely, and thorough proofreading. With these tips, tricks, and shortcuts, that intimidating blank page won't seem so daunting anymore. Instead, it will become a canvas for you to paint a compelling picture of why you're the best candidate for the job. Remember, a cover letter is more than just a formality. It's your chance to make a great first impression. So take the time to craft it well. After all, the job you've been dreaming of could be just one well-written cover letter away.